if you want to see some of my most used highlighters, just keep watching. Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. For those of you who are new, I am Mandy and welcome to my channel. So today I went ahead and I pulled out some of my most used highlighters. That is powders, creams, sticks, and I've also got a couple of liquids. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the powdered highlighters first. Those just seem to be my favorite. The first one I'm going to go ahead and get out of the way because I just wanted to try to get my highlighter singles, but I did have to pull this in it. This is my e.l.f. highlighter palette. Now, the only reason I grabbed this is because there is nothing else but highlighters in this palette. Matter of fact, there are 4 different shades, and if you could tell, well, you could see which one is my absolute favorite one. But this is the Illuminating Pellet, and I don't believe there's a shade. Now, I do believe there might be another one that is for darker skin tones, but this one I find to be perfect for my skin. I do like all 4 colors, but I tend to use this cooler pink undertone right here. It matches my skin perfectly, and I absolutely love it. Now, it does give you a pop and highlight, and it can build up. Matter of fact, everything that I got in here can be built up. Now, the next one, guys, and this is not going to be a surprise to y'all, especially after you see what I have done to it. This is the Wet n Wild. This is the To Reflect Shimmer palette, and this one is in Boozy Brunch. Now, if you are wondering why mine looks so much different than everybody else's, it's because I've got mine taped. Yes, that's tape on my palette. That I don't like spending a lot of money, and when I do have something, I like to save it. But yes, I had to tape the top because the top fell out in one of my makeup bags. But yes, I love this palette. Look at it. It just looks so beautiful in its pan. But this is just that perfect gold with a pink undertone. Now my next one is going to be something that y'all have seen before in my videos, and it is just a mess. It's just the e.l.f. Gold Highlighter. Now it is like a bar, but of course mine is all broke up. If you can see it, it's just damaged to crap and back. But I still use this, and it is still just a lovely highlighter. I absolutely love it. It is just like a perfect white gold. It is just so beautiful on the skin. Now, the next one I did get in a gift set. It is LA Colors, and it is a blush highlighter duo. Now, I did have to grab this highlighter, guys, because it is absolutely perfect. The highlighter, I don't really use the blush, and I don't mix the both of them together. I do love just the highlighter itself. It is such a beautiful champagne color, and it is so, you don't have to build this one up. It can be built up, but I don't think you would want to do that because after one layer, this is just popping. Now, the next one that I have is fairly new. I just got it in my Etsy last month. This is the Luna by Luna highlighter. Now, this is in shade Electra. I find this to be the perfect champagne rose. It's pinky, just the perfect champagne colored highlighter. And this is a baked highlighter, but I have not had to use it wet not one time since I've been using it. Next 2 I'm going to show you are made by the same company, of course, by the same brand. But I do have the little booklets, and I do want them in bigger palettes. I absolutely love these. The first one is, now these are by the Balm. This one is the Balm Voyage, and it's just a little booklet thing. And this is, I'm not exactly sure how to say this word, so I'm going to put it down here. It is, I'll do my best, Kuwakakaribisha. I butchered the crap out of that, I know, but I wish I knew how to say that word, but it is such a beautiful, it's almost like ice. It is so beautiful. And of course, the next one I told you is made by the same one. It's in the same little booklet here. This is the Mary Luminizer. Now, this one, it has been my go-to favorite. I have been using this just about every day. I love this highlighter. I can't say enough good about it. It's just so beautiful. Now, the next one that I have is Urban Decay, and I just got the little trial sized one, but this I also have to get in a bigger one because this one is used constantly. This is the, I think the 24-hour highlighter or 24 Afterglow. Not exactly sure. I think it's either Sin or Sinful is the name of the highlighter, but it is beautiful. Now, the next one is one that you probably haven't seen that much, but I love this. This is a mineral powder, and it is made by Beauty. Of course, it is just old and worn. Of course, the lettering's off of it. But this is a mineral loose powdered highlight. And looking at it, and you can look at the powder, you see no glitter, you see no shimmer, no nothing. But once this is applied to the skin, this is the blingiest highlight that I have seen yet. It is just so gorgeous, guys. I love this highlight. I do have one by Profusion that I got in a gift set, in a holiday gift set. This is the Profusion Way to Glow Liquid Illuminator. This one is beautiful. It is absolutely gorgeous. And this, again, I don't know if y'all watch my videos, y'all know that I do sometimes put a drop of this in my foundation or my mattifying primers, and it just leaves just the perfect finish on your skin. Now, it does have a little bit of glitter, so if you are a person that does not like glitter, I would definitely stay away from this one, but it doesn't really show up glitter, and I just find that it leaves that perfect, flawless finish, and I absolutely love using it just for a highlighter itself. And the next one is going to be no surprise. It is the Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid by Face Studio. Now, mine is in 100 Light Iridescent. This is the perfect shade for my skin tone. And again, it just leaves that just beautiful sheen. It almost makes your skin look like it's wet. And I absolutely love that look. So I do love that. Now, the next one is another one you probably haven't heard much about. It is made by Iredale. And again, this is a mineral makeup. But this one is a cream to powder formula. And I think it's labeled as an eyelid primer. But I use it for a highlighter, and I find it to be one of my most favorite highlighters that I do have. Again, it is cream to powder, so time you apply it, it feels like powder, and it is so soft and buttery, and it just leaves the perfect glow on my skin. Now for another cream. This one, guys, oh my goodness, this one is, I got in one of my Ipsies, and this is the Barfly highlighter. This is the Barfly highlighter, and I think it's in shade Candlelit. I love, well, first of all, if you've been watching me for a while, you know I love the stick makeup trend. I hope it don't go away because I do love that trend. But this is such a beautiful highlight. Now, it does have kind of a pinky undertone to it, but it still has that champagne color, and it can be built up to be a very popping highlight, or you can wear it and just use one layer of it to get that natural glow from within, and it's just beautiful. Now, the next one is another stick highlighter. This is the contour, I don't know why it says contour stick, because it is a highlighter. This is the LA Colors, and of course, my little thing's coming off right there. This is their highlighter stick. Now, I do have two of these, so this is going to be a 2-in-1. This one is the one that they made a little bit later on. This one's newer. And this is also the LA Colors. I don't know why, again, they say contour sticks. These two are highlighters, but this is a newer edition, I guess, where they revamped their makeup. But they're two different colors, and I absolutely love both of them. And I have tried mixing them, and it does make just the perfect highlight. Did you see me? How about drop that thing? Please, God, no, because that was it for this video. So if you enjoyed seeing my review, if you like seeing my channel and become part of my Glow Tart family, we would love to have you. And I love you, and I'll see you next video, guys. Bye.